This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Shirley Welch. This hidden gem of a neighborhood, in the heart of Maitland, has deeded lake access to the Winter Park chain of lakes with a private ramp to launch your paddleboard, kayak or canoe. The first thing you will notice as you enter this home are all the windows and the abundance of natural light. Recreate a bird sanctuary in the front yard, like the owners had, and watch all the flurry as the cardinals greet you in the morning. The luxury vinyl flooring is consistent throughout apart from the charming sunroom off the living room. Numerous updates include fixtures, interior doors, both bathrooms, newer induction cooktop and oven, kitchen cabinet pullouts, recessed lighting, brick pavers and updated electrical. Air conditioner, 2017, and water heater, 2008. Plenty of storage with 2 foyer closets, 1 car garage with a laundry room and outdoor sheds. Spacious screened porch to enjoy your beautiful, landscaped backyard oasis while enjoying your koi pond and the soothing sound of babbling water. Maitland is home to plenty of restaurants, shops, Sunday morning farmers market, art festivals and concerts, parks, trails and easy access to I-4, Park Avenue in downtown Orlando. Don't pass on this home, you won't be disappointed. For more information, review the details below.